Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video, we are going to see how to print today's date in Python. Now let's quickly get to VS Code first in order to start coding. So first of all, let's create a new file and let's give it the name as simply code.py. Now the thing that we will do is we will import a library and the name of the library is datetime. So basically what we have to do is we have to import date from that particular library, and the way how we will do is that we will say from datetime we need to import what we need to import date. So sorry, we need to just import date. So this is how we will import the things up. Now the next thing that we have to do is to import or is to get today's what exactly is today's date, that from this date. And the way how we will do is by accessing the today function. So how we will do is let's create a variable and let's say date today, and in that particular variable we are going to use the today's function. So this date today variable will have today's date as we are accessing it with the help of today's function from the date thing that we have imported. So let's print it and see if it works. Date today. Now let's try to run it. And the way we'll do is simply this, and boom, you can see it's showing today's date which is 24 October. So this is how we can find today's date. So only there are 2 points that we need to keep in mind. First of all, we have to import the things up, and the thing is we have to import from the date time library. We simply have to import what we have to import date, and after that we just we can access today's date with the help of this function, and we have like stored it in a variable. If we don't want to store it in the variable, then simply we could have done this as well, which is directly accessing it in the print itself, and see the same result you will get. So this was all about how to access today's date. I hope you understood the things up. Thank you.